It's me, Mario, and today I'm gonna watch Sound Effects in Real Life and Sound Effects in Real Life 2 by Matthias. Yep. So, yeah, we might heard some guns blazing, jumping sounds, and such. Yeah, let's get to it. Let's go.
We're back.
Okay.
Seriously, dude? It's gonna get old really fast.
Click, clap. Hope you guys can hear this. Huh?
It's not running! Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Hey, yeah, so my car won't start, and, why don't we just have the date night here? Okay, great.
Oh god.
Love you.
Oh.
I'm gonna go.
Okay, now I'll stop.
Or it could end like this.
Where are you? I will murder you!
It's just my
Oh.
Oh.
These are some of the alternative endings for the first one. The one from Matthias' channel and from someone called Jewel Thief. Yoo-hoo! So let's watch the sequel. And this one doesn't have alternative endings. And it's clearly 3 minutes. So there you go. And boop. Boop. Oh, what is going on? Nope. There you go. Sorry about that, by the way. Okay. Hmm? Hmm? That was painful. That was too loud. Stop it. Hmm? Hmm? Coins? What are coins? Oh, that's awkward. Hmm? Hmm? Okay. Good. Thank God it was... What the? Oh no. Oh no! Oh no! He's in trouble. Huh? Oh boy. He's in trouble. For your world of madness. And cooking. Mashups. Noises. And everything else. Oh no. You better stop. Turn off. There you go. Oh.
How's it going?
Oh no.
What? I think I left something in the car.
Uh-oh. If you enjoy this video, then please give it a like, which means a lot. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I mean, his videos. That's better. Anyways, I'll see you next time on Mario Watches Blank. Yep, I said blank because it depends what video I'm about to watch. And also, this is the first Mario Watches video, so it's gonna be saved for the Boss Watches and Sonic Watches. Anyways, yeah. Yahoo!